Hello, this is just a quick tutorial to show you how to use Smile Amazon or Amazon Smile. So if you type smile.amazon.com, then you can set up to whom your proceeds want to go to. So I already have it set up, but let's just say I'm either going to change the ministry that I'm going to be supporting or want to add. You go to a screen, well, where it'll let you search for the ministry. So you put Lily of the Valley Ministries and then click search. And there are an array of different ones. Well, not so many, but you want to make sure you want to choose Chula Vista, California. So you press select and you're all set. And then any future purchases that you want to do using Amazon, make sure you go to smile.amazon.com and use it just like you were using the regular Amazon.com website. It's very simple and helpful to Lily. Now notice for my account, it lets me know how much I've donated. So up to this point, I haven't bought much, but I've donated 20 cents. But I know that a lot of you folks use Amazon.com, so it adds up, and it adds up quickly. Thank you for all of your help and support. God bless you, and thanks for everything.